Now, I think I lost the article that you went to next.
Oh, yeah?
You were looking at the Netflix, the top 5 Netflix shows, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to have to look
it's
at your
on
screen.
CNBC. That's what I was looking at.
Netflix says it's 5. I must open the same link twice. It's my fault, Will. I don't want you to feel like you're responsible at all.
How dare you?
Netflix says its 5 most watched original series. Now, this one is weird to me because we were talking the other day about Mandalorian and how it's a real flagship series for Disney+. It's generated subscribers and big budget and all the rest. And we were curious. We're like, well, Netflix has been around for a while. What is their flagship stuff? And so I thought of Stranger Things. Mm-hmm. I also thought about some of the money they paid for a lot of those comedy specials. I wasn't the Escobar show. What was that called?
Narcos.
God. What?
Narcos.
Narcos. Was that another one?
Yes. Ozark is very good.
Okay, Ozark. Anyway, they've done them. Yes. They've done them. But I saw this list, and this list kind of surprised me. It's a lot of shows I never watched or heard of for their top 5 most watched shows. And, well, some of them are recent, which kind of explains, maybe I'm not necessarily watching them. So some of them are recent, but coming in at number 5 with 63 million viewers. By the way, in order to be a viewer of a show on Netflix, all you have to do is watch 2 minutes.
Really?
Just so you know.
That's the threshold. Wow.
2 minutes, which for a series, it's kind of crazy to say you watch the series if you only watch 2 minutes. But that's the metric that they're using. They got this deal with the former producer, maker of Grey's Anatomy and Scandal. What is her name? Rhimes? Shonda Rhimes? Anyway, they produced this show, Bridgerton, and 63 million people watched it. It came out recently. And
never heard of it.
Yeah, see, you've never heard of it. I don't think it's targeted at us, by the way. If you scroll down a little bit, we don't see the image for some reason, but if you did see the image, you would know it is not targeted at you.
Okay.
And there you go. Or maybe you feel that that's targeted at you.
It's right up my alley.
Brought from Shondaland, who brought you Grey's Anatomy. So her production company is called Shondaland. She signed a $150 million deal with Netflix to make some content, and this is one of them. That's coming in number 5. Let's see number 4. Tiger King. This one I heard of, but I never watched. Did you watch that?
No. I'm with you. I've heard many things about it, good and bad.
So when I saw this have a big number for viewership coming in at number 4, I believed it because I heard the chatter on social media right around the time when lockdown lifestyle was taking off. It was a lot of Tiger King talk. So I understand that one. Go to number 3. Number 3, Stranger Things. That's the other one that I had heard about, seen some of the promotions. Season 3 was the topper of the bunch, 64 million. You can see some of these are pretty close. Scroll down to number 2. This one, Money Heist, which is a translation. This was a Spanish show that for sure you've never heard of, but huge in the Spanish-speaking world.
Is it? Yeah, I've seen the hero image on Netflix, but I haven't watched it. No.
Yeah, I guess it would be subtitles if you watched it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then coming in at number 1, The Witcher, 76 million.
Uh-huh.
Did you know this? Did you watch this?
I believe this was a really popular show. I have not watched it yet.
You see how that's going, though?
Yeah.
It's a lot of we did not watch it, and we're Netflix subscribers, so it's a bit interesting.
Yeah, but we don't watch anything, really.
Yeah, I don't watch enough stuff to even say, maybe this stuff is amazing, but if you were curious of, like, what are the statistics of a popular show on Netflix, this should give you an idea. It's between 60 and 80 million. Between 60 and 80 million viewers is a hit. Considered a hit original for Netflix.
Yeah.
I'd be curious what The Mandalorian pulled off because I feel like that's a different level.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like it's a big threat to Netflix's model. Disney's a powerhouse in that game, man.